Hello guys and welcome back in Junior Brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do is like to create your object, your projects in Filmora. You can simply go to the file, new projects, open project to open an existing project, etc. Now you will be needing just to start creating your GIF. That means you will be needing like to do your editing. It can be anything. Like you can add some moving objects or whatever thing or some animation that you have created, etc. Now the key to create a GIF is to simply exporting your video as a GIF format. And to do so, you will be needing simply to go to the export menu, and basically here you will find this. So you will need just to create a video of your editing. So here you might have like some animated text, you might have some effects that are added into videos, etc. Now we will go to export, and here we go to create a video. Now we will see these output settings. So here is where we are interested in. So basically in the format, you will find like mini format. And basically here, you will find this image format. So you will be needing just like to click on GIF and make sure it is a higher quality so you can have the better quality for your video. And of course, there is no audio. That means you won't find some options for audio, etc. And basically, it will just like render the images for, or it will just render your video as images. And basically, you can also uh, change the frame rate to make it more suitable with the video. It depends really on the clips that you are using, etc. And then you will need just to click on export. And as you can see here, the size estimated is so big. So make sure like to do some uh, enhancements on your video so you can have like a small GIF. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.